Welcome to my channel. I am here to introduce another educational course to you. This course is suitable for those who want to progress from beginner to expert in Python programming and gain practical skills. If you're looking to learn programming fundamentals, create useful scripts, and deeply understand concepts like object-oriented programming and functions, this course is for you. It is also ideal for individuals aiming to enter various Python-related fields, such as web development, artificial intelligence, and data analysis. This course, with around 330,000 students and a rating of 4.2, is highly successful and practical. Its current price is approximately €20. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to it and benefit from future updates. The total duration of the course is 7.5 hours. Upon completion, you will receive a certificate. In this course, you will learn. Go from beginner to advanced in Python programming by learning all of the basics to object-oriented programming. Write scripts for general productivity tasks, read and comprehend Python code, gain knowledge in regard to general programming concepts. Use variables to store, retrieve, and calculate information. Utilize core programming tools such as functions and loops. Now, I want to provide this exciting course to you for free and in a completely legal way. To see how this works, first subscribe to my channel and add this video to your watch list. Now, simply open your browser and enter the address discountedcourseninja.com in Google's search engine. From the results displayed, click on this link. Make sure the website address is exactly as shown here, and you will be directed to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you will be taken to the main page of the site. On this site, you can access various course discount coupons. Use the search section to find your desired course. You can also browse different categories to search for topics of interest. Here, you will find our course. Now, to obtain the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click the button. Get the coupon. The course is now available to you for free, but note that the coupon has a time limit. Now, with just a few clicks, you have gained free and legal access to this course. If you found this video useful, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.